Einhell, a well-known brand for its reliable and affordable tools, offers you the perfect solution for maintaining your chainsaw chains. The Einhell GC-CS 85E Sharpener. This tool combines compactness, sturdiness, and precision, making it an essential ally for both hobbyists and professionals. Well designed to meet the needs of demanding users, it ensures optimal maintenance of chains while remaining affordable. Are you looking to keep your chains always sharp without breaking the bank? This product might be just what you need. With its practical design and impressive performance, this sharpener is a tool of choice. You can find all information and link to purchase it in the description. Einhell GC-CS, practical, sturdy, stable, compact, mobile. With an aluminum base that ensures perfect stability during use, it stands out with a well-thought-out design, even for heavy-duty tasks. Compact and lightweight, this sharpener is easy to transport, making it perfect for those who need a mobile and functional tool. The finishes, while simple, reflect a focus on durability. Thanks to its compact size, it will easily fit in your workshop or even in a small storage space. Its sleek and intuitive design makes it easy to use, even for those who aren't familiar with sharpening tools. In addition to its robustness, its aluminum elements guarantee a long service life, even with frequent use. Beneath its compact appearance, the Einhell GC-CS 85 Sharpener hides some serious performance. Equipped with an 85-watt motor, it reaches an impressive rotation speed of 5,500 RPM, ensuring quick and precise sharpening. The 108mm diameter grinding wheel is suitable for most standard chainsaw chains. Thanks to a precise angular adjustment scale and an adjustable depth stop, it allows for uniform sharpening, ensuring your chains are secure while extending their lifespan. The components of this sharpener are designed to provide optimal precision with every use, ensuring perfect alignment and precise angle control. This sharpener also features an intuitive adjustment system that easily adapts to different chain sizes, providing great versatility. One of the great strengths of this sharpener is how easy it is to use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll appreciate it. Its clamping device holds the chain in place with precision. Just adjust the sharpening angle using the graduated scale. Set the depth stop, and the sharpener takes care of the rest. In just a few minutes, your chains are sharpened and ready to go. In addition, its well-thought-out ergonomics make the process comfortable and safe, even for series of chains to be sharpened. With this tool, even the least experienced users can achieve a professional quality result. The sharpening process is not only quick but also safe thanks to built-in protection mechanisms. You're working on one or more chains. The Einhell GC-CS 85 guarantees a smooth and stress-free experience. Manually sharpening a chainsaw chain can be a tedious task, especially for beginners who risk inconsistent and ineffective sharpening. On the other hand, the Einhell GC-CS 85 offers a quick and uniform solution worthy of professional sharpening. Compared to other electric sharpeners, it stands out for its excellent value and quality, with an aluminum base. It's an obvious choice. Its high rotation speed and powerful motor make it one of the best options in its category. For users looking for a reliable solution without breaking the bank, this is an obvious choice. It also outperforms manual alternatives in terms of speed and precision, providing a significant time savings while reducing the effort required. In summary, the Einhell GC-CS 85 Sharpener is an essential tool for anyone looking to extend the lifespan of their chainsaw chain, while ensuring a perfect sharpening. Compact, sturdy, and easy to use, it's designed for both hobbyists and demanding professionals. With an affordable price and impressive performance, it offers a great balance between efficiency and practicality. By investing in this tool, you get a durable and high-performing product that makes maintaining your equipment a breeze. If you enjoyed this presentation and found it helpful in understanding the benefits of this product, be sure to click the link in the description. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel. Leave a comment to share your thoughts, like the video, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.